All right, guys, so first off, one of my favorite deals that I actually saw, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys, is actually going to be the Apple Watch Series 8 right now, is 30% off, which means the price is going to be $279.99, which is a phenomenal deal. If you actually know a lot about Apple Watches, this is actually something that probably isn't going to happen much, so I would definitely recommend taking advantage of this now. The Apple Watch Series 8 is the newest actual Apple Watch series to date for 2023, so be sure to get on that deal immediately. Number two, guys, is going to be a Blink Outdoor 3rd Gen camera. This is going to be 58% off, which is a really good deal. It is a 3-pack, so if you guys are looking to get some new home security systems or anything like that, this is going to be ideal for those situations. Number three, for those headphones guys out there who are looking for a budget-friendly headphone purchase, maybe for a friend or relative or maybe a child, the Beats Solo 3 is actually going to be an on-ear headphone for 42% off, a price of $114.99. Beats are still popular in my opinion, and I still see them every day. So I definitely recommend these headphones if you're looking for a budget-friendly headphone that just gets the job done. Number four is going to be the Powerbeats Pro, something I actually have multiple videos on this channel about. Powerbeats Pro, if you're looking to get into the gym, maybe put on some muscle, maybe your new resolution for 2023, starting off a little bit late, but late is better than never, in July, is to get into the gym and put on some muscle. They are 40% off for a total price of $149.99, which I have to be honest, guys, I'm not sure I'm going to see this again. This is a great opportunity to get some earbuds for fitness. If you are a runner, these are actually amazing as well, so be sure to give them a shot. There is also a 30-day return policy if you are not happy. Number five, guys, is actually going to be for those people who work at home, or if you're looking to get into video creation like myself, the EMEET HD 1080p webcam is actually going to be an awesome offer. $24.49 is the total price, and it is 59% off. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely something to take advantage of for Prime Day. Now, I am somebody who uses the Blue Yeti microphone. If you guys are looking to upgrade your microphone setup and get something that's actually a little bit better than maybe your iPhone microphone or maybe a budget-friendly microphone you got on Best Buy or some other sale, the Blue Yeti microphone is actually going to be 20% off, and it's going to start at $79.99, which is actually a really good deal in my opinion, and definitely something to take advantage of. I decided to upgrade my microphone because for me personally, I really like having the ability to give you guys the best experience possible without having to break the bank. For those of you who work from home, or maybe you just have a lot of time spent at the computer, or maybe you're just somebody who wants to stop sitting, for me personally, I do struggle with ADD, and for me, I really like the ability to stand and actually have a standing desk. My desk actually goes up and down, so if I want to sit for maybe half the day and stand for half the day, it really allows me to customize my option in my workspace. I did get the 60-inch by 24-inch desk for the Flexispot, and that's what I'll be sharing with you guys today. If you are looking to get into that aspect of your life and get a standing desk, the Flexispot 60 by 24-inch is actually going to be 7% off for a total price of $279.99. While it might seem steep, I definitely think this is something to consider, guys. It is good for your posture and for your overall health. Sitting has many negative effects on your body that have been done by research, and I definitely recommend looking into this, so that link will be down in the description. I got the white version, and I really like it because it's a very fresh and clean look, and I actually am able to do product reviews on my desk because of how good the white looks. So keep that in mind. Next but not least is one of my favorite deals of all time, guys, today. The Bose Quietcomfort 45s are actually going to be $200, which is one of the cheapest prices I've actually ever seen them at. I've seen them before this lowest at $229, so $200 for these is a steal, and I would definitely take advantage of this. Next but not least is going to be Sony WH-1000XM5. These are going to be 18% off for a price of $328, and they're predecessor, I believe that's what it's called. The one before that, the older version, is actually the WH-1000XM4s, are 29% off at $248. So if you guys are looking for a noise canceling headphone today, maybe you're looking to get back into gaming or just for airplane rides or whatever it is, you do have some great options here. I have reviewed the Bose Quietcomfort 45s, and I will do another review on them shortly, but these are some great deals to consider. If you guys are looking to get into content creation and start your own channel, or maybe do Amazon reviews, or just anything that revolves around content creation, we do have some deals for you guys to get some budget-friendly options for a home studio. A ring light, a 6-foot ring light, is now on sale for 20% off. It is now going to be $23.99, which is a really, really, really good deal, and I definitely recommend this for you guys. You can actually put your iPhone inside the ring light so that while you're filming, the ring light is actually illuminating your face, and then you can actually have your iPhone facing you. So it's a really good experience for your viewership and for your audience to be able to connect with you without having it be dark and maybe low quality. So definitely a good way to upgrade everything. What I recommend pairing that with is a Saramonic Lavalier microphone. It's about $30 and it actually is wired, but the reason why I like it is because it's very budget friendly, but the sound quality is fairly good for the price. And it actually allows you to plug it straight into your iPhone, and it's really just a complete setup for your iPhone, so you don't actually have to have any kind of extra gadgets or any extra accessories that might be costly or might actually clog up what you're trying to do. So definitely the ring light and then the wired microphone, and you're all set. You'll notice that with these two accessories, your setup will upgrade to the point where it will just really look really professional, kind of like this, and you can actually record 4K on your iPhone. And I think a lot of people don't understand that. And that is something that blocks people from making content, but what I recommend doing is just starting with what you have, getting a budget-friendly setup, and just press and record. So guys, next is one of my favorite deals as well. I'm trying to do like every fifth deal here being something that is really a big deal, is the MacBook Air M1 2020 is actually going to be on sale for 25% off. A price of $749.99. I have this weird feeling that a bunch of you guys are going to buy this because for me personally, the M1 MacBook Air was kind of a revolutionary new innovation for Apple, where they brought together this new processor, the M1 chip, and now the MacBooks are kind of exceeding expectations in every way and blowing the PCs out of the water and basically saying, hey, see you later, we don't want you anymore. So PCs are like, what do we do to catch up? And the M1 MacBook Air is just a phenomenal device. I use it every day as a daily driver. It has great battery life and it runs 4K video editing well and very well, to the point where my iMovie has basically no struggles at all. So for $750, guys, I definitely recommend picking one of these up today. I don't know how long this deal is going to be going, so you do have until tomorrow, so maybe get on that quickly. The UE MegaBoom, Ultimate Ears MegaBoom, kind of following along with the channel theme, is going to be Bluetooth speakers, 30% off for a price of $139.99. Definitely something to consider, and if you're in the market for a new Bluetooth speaker, I'm only going to recommend things on this channel that I think are great speakers, and I have used the UE MegaBoom, and it does work very well. If you're somebody who wants to get the MacBook and maybe an external storage so that you're not actually having to like basically spend a bunch of money on the MacBook and you want a really high-end storage device, the Western Digital 5 terabyte My Passport is actually going to be 38% off for a total price of $99.99. So if you guys are looking for extra storage, 5 terabytes is going to be super hard for you to fill up unless you're making 4K videos every single day. And even then, a 4K video in 5 terabytes, that's going to be about a year to fill that up. So definitely no worries there. And most people aren't going to be producing that much content. So 5 terabytes will last you plenty of time. Last but not least, guys, is going to be the Apple leather case. 24% off, leaves us at a price of $44.99. Definitely recommend looking into this, but we have some great deals for Amazon Prime Day. You do need that Prime membership, so go ahead and hit that link below for the Prime membership link. And be sure to get on with Prime. You have 30 days after today, I believe. Make sure you check the terms and conditions just to make sure it is 30 days. But it's a free trial. You get 2 days free shipping. So whatever you buy today, guys, should show up on your door by the 14th at the latest. I've seen Amazon actually come through pretty fast where it's on your door by the end of the day. Amazon is just ridiculously cool that way. So just give that a shot, guys. But anyways, happy Prime shopping, and I'll see you guys in the next one.